In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace Beacon AI to optimize your website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the tool, analyze a page, understand the suggestions it gives you, and confidently apply improvements that make your site clearer, more discoverable, and more effective. Start by opening your Squarespace website dashboard. This is your home base for everything on your site. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one, and let the dashboard fully load so all the tools are available. Next, look for the Beacon AI area or the AI Tools section. Depending on your account, you might see it labeled slightly differently, but it will typically appear in your main navigation or as an option within your site tools. If you see an AI button, panel, or card, click into it to open the Beacon AI workspace. From there, choose the task you want help with. Beacon AI can assist with goals like SEO and content optimization, so decide what you want to improve. If you're focused on discoverability, pick SEO. If you want stronger messaging or clearer copy on a page, select content optimization. You can switch tasks later, so don't worry about being locked in. Now, let Beacon AI analyze your site or a specific page. You'll usually be prompted to select which page you want to scan, or you can run a broader site analysis. Give it a moment to process. It's reviewing your headings, body text, metadata, and overall structure to find opportunities for improvement. When the suggestions appear, review them carefully. You might see recommendations for page titles, meta descriptions, headings, keyword placement, readability, or image, alt text. Beacon AI often explains why a change matters, like making a headline more scannable or aligning a description with what people actually search for. Treat these as informed suggestions rather than rules. Use your brand voice and your audience's needs as your filter. Apply the changes you want to keep. Copy suggested text into your page editor, refine it if needed, and save your edits. For SEO specific items, update your page title and meta description in the page settings, and add or adjust alt text on key images. Make small, focused updates so you can see what's working before changing everything at once. Finally, recheck the page or site after the updates are made. Refresh the live page, review it on desktop and mobile, and confirm links, formatting, and images look right. Give search engines time to notice SEO changes, then revisit analytics to assess the impact. If you like the results, repeat the process on other important pages to build consistent improvements across your site.